This is the show.
It's a whole vibe, right?
This place is huge.
The scale of it, we're kind of just taking it all in.
I mean, huge.
AHR is by far, in a way, the biggest and the most comprehensive show in North America.
Unless you know what the industry's like, you can't chart a career path.
I always call it like the Super Bowl event of our industry. Everyone who's anyone's here.
There are so many of our customers that come here in one place.
Everybody from end users to mechanical engineers, controls engineers, company owners, distribution partners, they're all here.
We're getting in contact with a lot of great people.
Good to be proactive rather than reactive.
We're already planning for the next one now.
The amount of knowledge that's within this building is absolutely mind-blowing.
Let's go find out what's out there, what people outside your role, outside your company are doing. Learn about them. What we're capable of it, such as energy and codes change. We need to stay in the know so we can be educated so we can go out and deliver a high-level product.
Man, this is where I'm supposed to be.
It's happening right now. The future is now.